The Asus Rog Phone 3 is a beast. It is the best gaming phone you can currently get as well as one of the best phone overall. It is big, loud and it is powerful. But is it worth to buy Asus Rog Phone 3 in 2021? Let's find out in this video. Asus Rog Phone 3 was launched at a price of $1,000 in the international market and 50,000 Indian rupees, and it is aimed at gamers. Not only does it pack the latest and the greatest hardware, but it is also have a few gaming centric features on board and is available with the several accessories that improve the gaming experience. These include the Aero Active 3 cooling fan that also doubles as a kickstand. You will find the latest and the greatest Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset under the hood and up to whopping 16 GB of RAM. The display is massive at 6.59 inches and sports an industry-leading refresh rate of 144Hz. The battery is massive as well as its capacity of 6000 mAh, which should make sure you will be able to game for hours on end. The phone also sports the shoulder buttons, a surprisingly good triple camera setup, and the two front-facing speakers for a more immersive sound experience. Asus released a software update enabling Dirac's headphone optimization technology, and this effectively improves audio quality of all compatible Rog gaming headsets when paired with the Rog Phone 3. The design is a bit toned down compared to the previous generation, but is still quite flamboyant and therefore not to everyone's liking. Is it worth buying in 2021? If you are in the market for a gaming phone, the Rog Phone 3 should be top of your list. It offers everything you need including great performance, big screen, large battery, shoulder buttons and more. However, all this comes at a price. The Rog Phone 3 is on the expensive side, starting at the $1,000 for the 12GB 512GB model and going all the way up to $1,100 for the variant of 16GB RAM and 512GB of storage. If gaming is not your thing, then the Rog Phone 3 likely isn't for you. Most people will be turned off by the bold, gaming-centric design with the RGB lighting at the back and extra gaming features they likely won't use. Additionally, there is no wireless charging or an IP rating, and this phone is too heavy too. So if you are a hardcore gamer, then go for it, otherwise it will be a bad experience for you. How good are the cameras on the Rog Phone 3? The phone sports a main camera of 64MP and a 13MP wide-angle shooter and a 5MP macro lens. The images captured from this phone had great color and a good dynamic range. They also showed a decent amount of shadow detail without looking washed out. However, the low light photography is not the best, especially when comparing it to the other phones such as the Pixel 4. So here I am trying out the different options available in the camera. You can see the picture quality and judge its camera. There is also a 24MP selfie camera which takes decent selfies. So how good is its battery life? A gaming phone needs a big battery, and the Asus Rog phone definitely delivers with its 6000 mAh of huge battery. The battery should get you through the day with ease and is good enough for long gaming sessions. However, the battery life was a bit inconsistent as we have seen in some of the reviews. But on our usage, we felt the battery life was good. So what are the Asus Rog Phone 3 alternatives available in the market? There are plenty of great alternatives you should keep in mind when deciding whether or not to get the Rog Phone 3. One of them is the Red Magic 5S, which has a weaker specification compared to the Rog Phone 3 but comes in a way cheaper, starting at just $580. Then there is the Black Shark 3 series, which offers a bit less in some areas and more in others. For example, you get a smaller battery but faster 65W charging. The regular model is a better choice if you are on a budget, while the more expensive Pro version is for those who want the best from the company. Another great gaming phone is the newly released Lenovo Legion Phone Dual. You get a smaller battery compared to the Asus Rog Phone 3 but a pop-up selfie camera for a more modern look and feel. but keep in mind that the availability of the phone is quite limited. So some of the most common questions that you may have regarding this phone, that is like the Asus Rog Phone 3 is waterproof. No, the phone does not have an IP rating. Does the Rog Phone 3 support 5G? Yes, but only sub 6 GHz standard. Does the Rog Phone 3 support wireless charging? No, there is no wireless charging on the Rog Phone 3. Does the Rog Phone 3 come with a headphone jack? Unfortunately, you won't find a headphone jack in this phone. So like this, you may have more questions in your mind. If you want to ask anything about this device, you can leave a comment in the comment section. So finally, to conclude with, if you are a hardcore gamer, you should definitely go for Rog Phone 3. It will give you an immersive, great gaming experience. But if you want to use it as a normal phone, then you will get disappointed by its heavy weight and bulky design. And finally, the main question is it worth to buy as a gaming phone in 2021? Yes, it is worth to buy Asus Rog Phone 3 in 2021 with a reduced price. So I had played PUBG on this smartphone, so I am leaving you with my gameplay. You can watch it and judge. So this is my review of the Asus Rog Phone 3. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.